Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you a tutorial video of how to draw KALE Super Saiyan. This is my first voice cover video and also my first coloring video. Okay, let's start it. So first of all, we will use this as a reference. Based on the reference, I will pick up the pencil color that I have to use later. I love to use Faber-Castell classic color pencil. This is easy to blend and affordable. As you can see my previous video, I love to draw a rough anatomy of the character before I really going to draw the detail. This is important for me to gauge the size of the drawing and also make sure the drawing is not out of proportion or out of the artboard size. First of all, start with the head, continue with the upper body, the arm, and the last part is the lower body. So this is the body proportion that I want, and make sure it is the center of my artboard. So now we can go to the detail. Let's start with the face. The Dragon Ball style character has a edgy shapes of eyes. So just do a rough sketch. So don't be afraid to make mistake. Just erase it wherever you want. One of the signature of the Dragon Ball character was the spiky hair, so we can draw the hair as thick as possible. Now continue with her body. We draw the breast. Make sure it is a proportion, not too big. Do the sketch line softly and gently because we're gonna erase it later on. Added some detail on the muscle. This is a female character, so make sure the muscle is not too bold or too big. So now this is my favorite time of drawing, inking. I usually use 005 fine pen. During the inking process, you have to do it slowly and patiently. Unlike the pencil sketching, it cannot be erased or undo. So draw it slowly, withdraw based on the sketching line. There are different sizes of the pen nibs. I usually use 005 because 005 can deliver a very clear and fine stroke line, easy to control, especially drawing the detail of the eyes, face or hairline. So I personally recommend 005. Add some muscle detail of the arm. So now done with the inking process, erase the pencil sketch line, do it gently. Now is the coloring part. To be honest, I'm not very keen on coloring, but I will try my best. I usually start with the lighter color. So let's go to the skin. Adding some shade on the forehead and a little bit under the eyes and nose. I will use basic color technique on this coloring, which is include tint, tone and shade. It will make your artwork look more 3D and solid. For example, when you're coloring the arm, leave some white space as a highlight. So now is a hair part. Start with the lighter green as a tone color. One of the good things about using color pencil is easy to control. If you want to get solid tone, you can coloring harder. So you can achieve different tone by just using one color pencil. For this green hair, I have used 3 different tones of green. almost 90% done. The last part is adding some darker shade. Fine tune a little bit. Okay, done. Perfect. I realized that majority of my audience are non-subscriber, so please hit the subscribe and like buttons. That means a lot to me. This is my first voice tutorial video. There are still a lot that I need to improve. See you again next time. Bye.